So you may be thinking to yourself, well, you know what are my risk factors? So there are lots of things that can be risk factors for disease. Here are just some of them, but like not practicing proper personal hygiene allows bacteria to grow in particular areas of your body. So you want to obviously be brushing your teeth and bathing and brushing and washing your hair, those sorts of things. Having sexual intercourse, obviously you're having exchanges of bodily fluids, many of which are or can be contaminated with particular diseases. Consuming alcohol can make you have poor choices, make you, cut yourself, scrape yourself, and also potentially just, vomit in your own mouth and suffocate that way. So that's never a good thing. Not eating properly, so obesity has a lot of diseases that are associated with it, including diabetes, also including fatty liver disease, which is also not good as well. Smoking obviously plugs the alveoli in your lungs, which causes you to get very sick and not be able to flush that stuff out. Limits the amount of air that you can get in, which means that your body is always working in this state of like, I don't have enough air, and that can cause you to be really sick because your body is spending a lot of its resources just trying to make sure that you get enough air, and it doesn't have enough resources to fight infections. Not having a toilet. Now I know here in Canada that's like something that seems so bizarre to us, but in third world countries that's a huge issue where people are going to the bathroom in or very close to their water source, and this becomes obviously a sanitary concern, as well as like everything there will have diseases in it. So drinking unclean water. So a lot of times you get huge outbreaks of E. coli, and when you have huge outbreaks of E. coli, usually we look straight to the water source. A lot of times it's because farmers are really close to the water source, and there isn't proper techniques used in order to prevent the amount of E. coli into our water. So, cow feces, those sorts of things getting into our water supply is never a good thing, and that's actually where all of the E. coli comes from.